Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with an emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If this is your very first time, welcome. I'm so excited that you decided to click on my video and kind of give me a look-see. If you are here again, welcome back, sis. I am so excited that you decided to stop by again. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. We are doing one of my favorite things, and that is budgeting for my paycheck. And if you want to see me do that, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into our shout out as well. Today we're going to be shouting out the typical budget. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I loved your comment. You said, I love paying my bills when I get paid. That way I know they are paid before due dates without them being late. I hate automatic payments. Great video. I check in a week later. That gives everything time to post. So thank you so much for taking time to leave a comment on my video, and then also thank you so much for taking the time to actually look at my video because you don't have to. So thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get on into it. I am budgeting in my Erin Condren, my deluxe monthly planner, and it is a 7x9. I usually have budget stickers by Shea Budgets, but I forgot to order some last month for this month. So unfortunately, I am not budgeting with any stickers today. So I'm not really happy about that. I like for my budget planner to look pretty, so whatever. All right, so we're looking at the month of May here. Let me go ahead and, sorry guys for moving the camera, making it shake, but let's look at our month overall. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, which basically means that I complete one budget for the full month and then I break down my budgets by paycheck. I've already completed my paycheck budget for the first. Now today I am budgeting for the paycheck that I will receive on Friday the 15th. And looking at the bills that I have in between this pay period, I only have two. If you see here, I have my MasterCard, which is $39.45, and then I have my Apple Music, which is $9.99. So that looks like those are the only bills that I have within this pay period. Super stoked about that. I do have a couple of goals here that I'm looking to meet. One is saving $1,000, completing with my savings challenges. If you would like to know what savings challenges I'm doing, there is a video that I did film, my 2020 savings challenges. Make sure that you check that out. If you want to join me in the crew. Cash envelopes, meaning using cash envelopes. Unfortunately, I just had to be real with myself. Doing the cashless envelopes it just didn't work for me. Some people it can work for, but you want to do what's best for you. And it just wasn't best for me, so I'm not gonna do the cashless envelopes. I will show you guys, if you want to know, if you head over to my Instagram channel, which is budget_treasures_, and I'll show you how to clean your money. Okay, and then sinking funds, I have started my sinking funds, and then save my bonus. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So my paycheck is gonna look a little plain, but it's okay because, you know, the main goal here is to make sure that we budget. So I am going to stop talking while I create the, since I don't have stickers, I need to create like my lines and everything. And then I need to use this to kind of help me out. So. So let's go ahead and get started. So for my full-time income, I will be receiving $3,000, or I'm actually going to be budgeting with $3,014.47. And child support, budgeting $0, and then second stream, budgeting $0. So I know that I have $0 here, and I like to put it because I think it's important. Sorry guys, I keep on messing up the hitting. I think that it's very important that I list what income I potentially will be receiving, but I'm just not going to budget for it, if that makes sense. So the total will be $3,014.47. My bills for this month, first we're going to put here tithes and offering. I do take my tithes and offering out of there, and I do not disclose what I give for my tithes and offering, but it's already taken out of that before I put the full time there. Next is going to be pay yourself first. I pay myself a minimum of $100 per paycheck. And then next is going to be my mortgage. That's $750. My mortgage is not $750, it's $1,500, but I like to separate my mortgage out of 2 payments. Out of each paycheck, I split it in half. It's just better for me that way because I just don't want to take all of my mortgage out of one check. Next is going to be my MasterCard, and that's $39.45. And then next is going to be my Apple Music. And then with my Apple Music, it's $9.99. And that's all, folks. Isn't that lovely? Don't y'all like only having no bills? I think I have 2 bills. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. I'm loving that. Okay. And then total for this is $8.99.44. And then next up is going to be our expenses. We're going to put what we budgeted for. And then actual. And we're going to draw a little line here. Real simple, guys. I want to make sure that I don't make this too complicated or anything. Some of these budgets I be seeing out here in these streets be real complicated. Not trying to do that. Expenses is gonna be groceries. We gotta eat, y'all. $750. Nope, oops. I know y'all what? $750. Actually, it's $150. I know y'all was like, oh, girl, who you feeding? Gas is $50. I've been saving money on gas because I'm working from home, and I'm gonna be working from home for a while. Sinking funds. This particular go round is going to be $320. Normally my sinking funds is only $180, but there were some things that came up that I need to fund the envelope quickly because I have some doctor's appointments coming up, and then there's some other things with my business that I need to take care of that I need to put in my envelope. So super excited about that. And then next is going to be eating out. I am putting $100 for that. Okay, so normally I do not eat out normally. I don't. I really don't. However, things have been getting a little crazy for me. They've been getting crazy for me because I'm, shameless plug here. My ebook is going to be launching on Fridays on March the 15th. So I'm super excited about that. And there are a lot of things that I had to do, and there are a lot of things that I'm doing for my business. So it's really taking a lot out of me. Like, for example, right now it's 12:08 a.m. and I'm filming this video. So I still have a full-time job. I'm now doing one-on-one coaching. I am a leader at my church. So like I have a lot going on right now. And so it's kind of tough to cook and like fit all of that in. So I'm trying to do it all, but you know, work with me here. So I had to give myself an eating out budget because me and my daughter, we have to eat. And then I need to start back school. So because I'm like not that far away from my bachelor's degree. And then so it's just a lot going on, you guys. It's a lot. And, you know, I just had to add it to my budget basically. All right, next is going to be my daughter, and I give her $50 every 2 weeks. I agree to give her $50 every 2 weeks. And then there's one more. So I also need to do my bulk shopping this pay period. Usually I give myself $200, and I'm gonna do that. Although I don't think I'm gonna need the whole 200, but I'm just gonna give myself 200 because I usually do that. And then this is it. So let's go ahead and do the calculating for that. See y'all, it's 12:10 in the morning. But I owe y'all a video. I owe you guys a video. Not only do I owe you a video, I have to have my budget completed before my money gets in my account. So I'm okay with it. Let's get to adding. So that's $870. I don't think I have ever, okay, taken out $870 for cash. But I need it. So let's calculate everything. Just give me 1 second here to do this. So this is the total. So here we're gonna have our income. Make sure I'm in frame. And then we're gonna subtract our bills. And then we're gonna subtract our expenses. And then that will equal our savings. Okay, and then this first line is what is budgeted for. So I should be doing this with another color pen. I should have been doing all of this with another color pen, but it's okay. So budget is gonna be $3,014.47 minus $899.44 minus $870, and that's gonna give us what? Let's see, you guys. 3014.47 minus 899.44 minus 870. That's gonna give us left over $1,245.03. Not too bad for savings, right? I'm probably not gonna use all of this, and I'm only saying that because there are some things that I need from Costco that I don't think that they have, but I'm really gonna be modest, you know. So that is pretty much it. This is my paycheck number 2. Make sure that you guys stay tuned because we're gonna have our cash envelopes video and stuffing our sinking funds on that'll be the next video that will come after this one. And then I'm also gonna be doing a video, a couple requests that came through. One request was for me to do a becoming video, like how I started budgeting and all that good stuff. And then the next video is how I got 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So we do have 1,000 subscribers, and guess what, you guys? I have been monetized. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. So I'm super excited about that. Don't really know how that works, but we're gonna figure it out. And don't forget, you guys, my ebook drops on this Friday, March the 15th. It is titled Financial Refresh: How to Spring Clean Your Finances in Only 5 Days. And the book is only $9.99. So you can head on over to my website, which I don't really want to give it right now because it doesn't drop live until that Friday. So just make sure that you check the posts and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.